Welcome to this tutorial on managing your WordPress page by saving drafts and publishing content. In this guide you will learn how to begin by simply accessing WordPress itself and then progressing through logging in and making changes to your page. We will start by directing your attention to the WordPress website, where you can begin with the initial step of navigating to the correct online location. Once you open WordPress in your web browser, look toward the top right corner of the page where you will see the login option. Clicking on this login area is the next action you need to take. You will then be prompted with a login interface, which makes the sign-in process straightforward and secure. WordPress offers a convenient way to sign in by providing a Continue with Google option. When you click this option, you simply need to select the Google account you prefer to use. This step simplifies the login process by relying on your existing account credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be guided to a new section where you can manage your site's content. Your next destination is the Pages section within WordPress. This area of the dashboard provides you with an overview of all your pages and an easy method to edit or create new ones. When you reach the Pages view, take your time to find the specific page you wish to work on. The process continues as you click on an edit option associated with your chosen page. Editing your page allows you to make any necessary modifications before saving or publishing changes. Once you have entered the editing mode, direct your attention to the right panel on the screen. You will see a section titled Status. This portion of the interface helps you track the current state of the page, whether it is a draft or already published. It is now time to change the status of your page. By clicking on the link provided in the Status section, you open up additional options to alter the state of your content. As you click this link, a set of choices will appear, allowing you to set your page's status as a draft if you are not yet ready to publish it. Changing the status to draft is an excellent way to save your progress without making your content publicly visible. This step is especially useful if you plan to refine the page further, or if you want to verify every detail before taking it live. After you have made the necessary adjustments to your page's status by selecting the draft option, you should proceed by clicking on the Save button located at the top of the screen. Saving your changes is crucial as it ensures that all the modifications you have made are stored safely and can be retrieved later for further editing. The save action effectively records your progress and prevents any loss of data. Finally, if you have completed all your edits and are satisfied with the content, you have the option to make your page public. By clicking on the Publish button, your page transitions from a draft state to a live status, which means it is now visible and accessible to your audience on the internet. This simple yet effective process allows you to manage your WordPress pages with ease. You now have a clear understanding of how to log in, modify page status, save your work as a draft, and ultimately publish your page when ready. Enjoy creating and updating your website effortlessly on WordPress.